Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. It's time to art journal. I haven't done it in a few days, but I'm going to tell you I really need it today because remember I told you art journaling is a thing that really centers me. It really helps me to rest, ease my mind, whatever I'm thinking about. I can always art journal and begin to feel a little better about things. So it's nothing that's too worrisome. So I'm hoping you're here to kind of hang out with me for a few seconds while I get this done. And while I kind of just talk, or while I talk to you for a little bit. And let's see. Oh, I'm trying to do some different things with my art journaling. I'm usually pretty serious about, my topics that I usually choose are usually kind of serious that I do. But this week, I said, let's put all seriousness aside. Let's go for some whimsy. Can we do, Jay, can you do whimsy? So I said, yeah, Jay, you can do a little whimsy. That's how I talk to myself. I always call myself Jay, too. And I said, yes, we could do a little bit of whimsy, my girl. Let's go for it. So I got out my watercolor paints, did a little bit of stamping, got a little magazine out, and said, I could use my, see, this glue is not just holding up for me. So I said, I could use a little magazine. I could do a little mixed media here. Because we got some, so mixed media doesn't always have to be painting. So it can be whatever whatever different mediums that you use. So I'm using some cutouts, some die cutouts, because my tree is from one of the Tim Holtz trees. And I stamped. So I would stamp, and I'll show you all my stamping and stuff, but it'll make a really long video. And I know you guys don't really like too long videos. You like the videos to be nice and sweet and short. And I'm going to try to do that for you today. So I want these little houses, because these are the houses that are in the trees. They're up in the trees. Trees are everywhere. But these little houses there. So then, what we got in the tree is a nice little bird. So how's everybody feeling? Hope everybody's doing well and had a wonderful holiday and recovering nicely from it. I hope you all didn't overspend and that you have ready for the new year. Good plans. I got to think of what I'm going to be doing with myself because now I'm officially retired. Just officially retired. So yes, officially retired. That's me. So here's my little bird girl. See, I'm using magazines. Now, when you're doing your art journaling, if you like whimsy, go plan some whimsy. Now, how whimsy can you get with a nice lady dressed all up with a bird head? Now, that's some whimsy right there. That's some good whimsy right there. But this means, to me, being absolutely unique. That's the one thing I like about me. I think I'm absolutely unique. I think when it comes to me, that's me. I'm absolutely unique. I don't think there's another one out there like me. I don't even think anybody's close like me. Because when I think about it, I'm going to tell you one unique fact about me that nobody else, lots of people know, and I think I told it to them. You know how when you're riding around in a car and you're driving and you're going long distance and you're getting sleepy? Those people pump the air on. They put that air on, they go, woo, I'm falling asleep, I got some air. Now me, on the other hand, I have to turn the heat on. Only the heat keeps me awake. I throw some air on me, I'm gonna fall asleep right away. So that's how my absolutely uniqueness comes into play. So everyone, here is my spread for this week. uniqueness. Absolutely unique. That's me. So I used what I used this week when I was thinking about unique things and whimsy, just so you know if you're art journaling with me. I did some stamping and some coloring here too. Stamped out these guys and used some watercolor paints. So I played with my paints, got out my dye and did the trees. Whipped in a magazine, found a nice woman who would look good with a bird head and a hat. And there she is. So this is my art journal page for the week. Absolutely unique. And this other side is the side where I usually write. And I did all that, just, give it some background and some stuff. So there it is. And there's my bird singing. And that's our spread for the week. This has been a quick one. I didn't do a whole bunch, but I think next week I am going to actually pull out my paints and my stencils and everything. I'm going to make it a little bit longer. So follow as much as you want next week. Come back, see what I do, see what I use. Happy 2024 to everybody. I'm still going to use my same slogan, be the reason somebody smiles, be the reason that you smile, and self-care is not selfish. And I'll see you all in my next video. Press that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber and you like art journaling and all the things I do here. Press that like button and also comment. Let me know. Comments help the channel a lot. So please comment and I'll see you all. Bye now.